Okay, so I'm just gonna make it a habit of making videos nowadays about things that I look up and can't really find nothing for, just so the information's out there. This is an LG monitor. It's not focusing again for whatever reason. Focus, please. Focus on something, my boy. Um, yeah, so this is an LG monitor or whatever. It was stuck in like some type of testing mode or something, and you would need an LG remote to fix it. Like, I had this Vizio remote, and it does turn this TV on and off, but it it would not get it out of the testing mode or whatever mode it was. And like this whole screen would be white, and you would be pressing these and stuff like that. Like there's a buttons down here. This is where my buttons are. You'd be pressing all this and trying to get it to do anything, and it wouldn't do anything at all. But this is my travel TV. I take this TV when I go out of town or go like, yeah, really whenever I'm going someplace that's not home. And the way you would fix this is you have to press. I mean, it'll tell you press the power button and the exit button. You don't press it at the same time. You don't even press the power button first. You press the exit button first, and then you turn it off, right? So I just turned it off. That red light will come on, right? But you would have to press it again. And then once the light goes away, you press it again. And that's how I ended up fixing this, fixing my monitor. Because when the light was on, it still didn't do anything. And then it wouldn't come on until I had pressed the button again. Or press the power button again. But that's how you fix this thing. This TV has been down for months. And I happened to find this random LG remote in my car somewhere. Don't know why, because I never owned the remote like this. This remote turned on all my TVs. Pause. Powered on all my TVs and everything. And my place a mess, so I'm not about to show like the setup that I have for like drifting and stuff like that in here. And all that extra stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to make this short video. I'm gonna get into the habit of just making videos and posting it. No fancy edits or none of that stuff. It's just gonna be posted videos until I get confident enough into doing that stuff again, because from the last video, if whoever saw it, I'm not doing the best right now. Yeah. But I just wanted to make this video real quick. The next video that I'm probably going to drop is going to be about paintball stuff. Hopefully. And then the video after that might be some pool with my friends and stuff like that, because I wanted to do that stuff for a long time. I just can't get my whole crew together anymore because, well, we're down a couple members. And nobody really has the motivation to do anything like myself. Mainly because I don't have the motivation to do anything. Yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later, I guess. Peace. I don't know why I say it like that. I need a professional help. I need professional help. I need professional help. I need professional help. Story of